Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear caches or cache on your Android smartphone. Now for this demonstration I'm going to use Redmi Note 10, but this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now you may want to clear cache if you have a problem with your apps or the app is misbehaving, and when you clear caches then this will restore the functionality of your app. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to settings and tap on it. From here look for apps. As you can see, I have apps settings here. Tap on it to open your apps, and to display all your apps, look for the option called manage apps, then tap on it. Now this will open up all the apps that you have on your Android smartphone. Now identify the apps that you want to clear caches and tap on it. Now from here you can see the details on this app. For instance, I want to clear cache for my Canva mobile app. Now from here go ahead and click on storage, and then you will see cache here. Now to clear cache, if you tap on this cache, you'll see nothing will happen. However, if you look down here, you can see clear data option. Go ahead and tap on this clear data. And when you clear data, you have an option either to clear all the data or to clear cache. Select clear cache and then OK. And then this will go ahead and clear all the cache. And as you can see now, we have 0. Now, if the app was misbehaving, go ahead and reopen the app and it should work just fine. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.